Here we're going to do a back-to-back hinge plate. So this is in a situation where you may have two doors sharing a center panel. This is a new way that we're suggesting to do this. Take your Euro screws out of your hinge plate. You won't need those, you'll discard those. You'll see in a second. Then we have available something called a sleeve screw. It's a male and female, which goes through the panel to hold your hinge plate on. So what we're going to do, we're going to put that in, and they fit a bit tight. So we've got this coming around here, okay? We got it coming around this side, okay? You may have to bang that in with a little hammer, okay? And then we go to the other side, and this male side threads in. Thread it in. Thread it in. And then it's got a slotted screw. So what you'll do is just tighten it up right here. Tighten this one up. Right. Nice and tight. So he's got to stay here forever. This alleviates the problem of using short screws back to back. As you can see, I'm struggling a little bit. There we go. Tighten on both sides. Then we're suggesting that you use the rear screw available in the back hole. Put that in on one side and then do the other side. The screws will probably hit, but they'll still catch. Now you've got a super secure, safe connection for putting a pair of doors on one vertical divider. These screws are available under the hardware tab in the hinge area. They're not cheap, but it's the best alternative to having to butt two screws together and possibly having something fail. Thank you.